splashing my car!
Nearly. Finished.
Good. Now do the rest.
How beautiful is this truck? She's running 454, fuel injected, big block Chevy motor, big aluminium radiator. We've got a 4-inch top on the roof. We've got suicide doors. We've got Corvette interior. To add to this, we've got the wood decking on the floor of the tray of the truck. And we've got some mini tubs in there as well for them big fat wide tyres she's running on the rear. To find out about this vehicle or more that we have in stock, visit our social media platforms or visit our website roadrageindustries.com.au.